if we are starting Kriya Yoga meditation, then we should start from this level. Forget the past. Do not try to imagine, oh, past life I have done very great karma, therefore I am here. Oh, past life, oh, I was king or I was master, forget it. Safest is this. Try to remember this. If you are starting our vocational education, traditional education, we enter into nursery, kindergarten, primary, middle, high school, college, university, then master, PhD. This is the way. Suppose that you have done master and you are very good professor, you have done PhD, now you are teaching grade 5 student. But grade 5 student is not knowing that you have gone through that education system. But that student which is in grade 5 is having full understanding that one day he will be master. That children do not have inferiority complex. I cannot reach to that height. Remember it. If that teacher is not telling that he has gone through that, and there is no time to tell, but he is teaching very well. If teacher is very great, master is very great, children are very happy. Children never feel inferiority complex that, oh, master is so great, so high. I am so foolish, I do not know this. I do not know alphabet, ABC, counting, tables. I do not know it. We have this kind of thought. We don't have this thought. We have thought we are going to be best student. Exactly in the same way, try to understand. Let us imagine we are on 0 level. We do not know spirituality at all. In past life we did all bad karma. We murdered and killed, we were alcoholic, a smoker, all kind of adulteration, everything we did in past life. Now in present life, now we start in Kriya Yoga. When you are in 0, then you started, follow teaching of Samik Deshagiri, holy signs, practice. One day you will realize, now you are transformed. As you learn medical, you realize you are transformed from simple human being to medical doctor. You are engineer, you are transformed from simple student to engineer. You are transformed with a simple person to great musician, like this. Therefore, try to follow this teaching. Let us imagine we are starting from 0, but 100% guarantee, if you have full devotion in practice, you will reach to the height of Lahiri Mahasaya, Yukteswar Giri, Yogananda, everybody, even to height of Babaji. Oh, I am not able to do it, it means you do not want to do it. Whatever willpower you have, exercise same willpower again and again. When you exercise willpower, then willpower increases. And try to exercise your muscles will increase, its power will increase. You stop walking, do not do any physical work, you will find there will be dystrophy of the muscles. If you do not exercise your willpower, when you say, I cannot do it, or this is not for me, no, you have not decided to reach to that height. This is 100% guarantee. If you have decided, whatever willpower you are having, exercise same willpower again and again to follow this, then your willpower will increase. Then use again that willpower, again practice it. In that way your willpower will keep on increasing and depth in practice will keep on increasing. And one day with 100% guarantee you will reach to the height of Prophet. Therefore never feel the hopeless, oh, I was not like a Yogananda. That past life I was realized master. I was not like Lahiri Mahasaya. That in the past life I was with Babaji. I was not like Jesus Christ or Buddha. What is the bad publicity about Buddha? Buddha got realization under a tree. Who told it? Buddha never said it. I got realization because of this tree. Go to Bodh Gaya. They worship tree because Buddha got realization under that tree. Why nobody got that state till today? Many Buddhists are living there. This advertisement is done by ignorant disciples. Buddha was realized from childhood. He took a time to memorize his lost memory. As you know, tables and countings, you know many things. Now you are sitting in quiet place to awaken your hidden memory. They were realized master from childhood. When they sat separately, they awakened their hidden memory. Let us think that we are not Buddha, we are not Yogananda, we are not Ikteshwari, we are not Lahiri Mahasaya, we are not Jesus Christ, we are not prophet. In the past life, we were murderer, we were alcoholic, a smoker, all bad habit we had it, no problem. But in this life, I am starting this education. Whatever willpower you have, try to use it. Then willpower will keep on increasing. Use again the same willpower. What is increased, keep on using willpower again and again, again and again. With 100% guarantee you will reach to the height. When you think, oh, you are not progressing, it means you do not want it. Do not blame spiritual science. Do not blame Kriya Yoga. Try to understand you have no desire for it. You have desire to go to the hotel, a restaurant, to see movie, to go to the market, to have unnecessary chit-chatting, so many engagement. But you don't have full desire to dedicate yourself to practice Kriya Yoga meditation. Therefore, Kriya Yoga is a 100% proven system. Whatever willpower you have, keep on using that willpower, practice it again and again, again and again. With 100% guarantee you will reach to the height, and with your upliftment, this nation will change. All problems of humanity will change. This you should realize. Now never ask anybody what is your past life. Never show the hand, it is fate line is there or not. Who cares fate line? You have Kriya Yoga. This is our fate line. Holy science is our fate line. The technique present in this is our fate line. What fate line we want? So many fate lines are painted in the form of letters, verses. You have it. If you are having interest really to show your palm, to go to astrologer, you want to know your past. If still you have great desire to see what is my fate, it means you are not exercising your willpower to rise up. Can you tell my past life? It means you are not interested to rise up to the height. You are wasting your talent, you are wasting your time in unnecessarily research. If you know that, okay, all right, in past life I was with the Jesus, in past life I was with the Babaji, okay, then what you are doing in this life? If you say, I was in past life with Babaji or with Jesus or Buddha or anyone, if in this life you are not able to demonstrate your highest glory, then you are defaming them. If you are defaming masters, you are doing biggest sin. Never defame your masters. Never criticize any prophet. Suppose that I have imaginary prophet. I worship prophet like this. Maybe Hanumanji, maybe Ganesha, maybe anything. Never criticize. Follow your path, Kriya Yoga. You will introduce to that person what is the real worship of Hanuman, what is real worship of Ganesha, what is the real Quran, real Gita, real Bible. From today onwards, we are going to follow this philosophy. We are going to practice with the deepest devotion. Let us have double breathing, stretching, relaxation few times. 2 बार में श्वास प्रक्रिया का अभ्यास करते हुए हम अंगड़ाई लें और ढीला करें. Then let us bow down to our devotion in Kriya Yoga meditation, which promises to solve all problems परमानेंटली। क्रिया योग में अपनी भक्ति को नमन करें। क्रिया योग बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण शिक्षा है। सभी समस्याएं इससे दूर हो जाती। फिर हम बैठेंगे। नाउ वी विल सिट। आंखें खोले, ओपन